Hello friends, welcome back again to my second week performance of ETF shopping. So आज हम देखेंगे कि लास्ट दिस वीक हमारा परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा और कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स मैंने बाय किए एंड so let's start. The first one, the thing is, we have added this. As you see, this is a week which we have added, right? So I have added these stocks, and luckily the week is in negative trend. So we are able to add more stocks. So and again the market is going back uh, right track. So in uptrend, so अभी मार्केट पूरा ऊपर जा रहा है. So let's see. So as of now आप देख सकते हैं कि पिछले एक वीक में जो मैंने स्टॉक्स खरीदे हैं, so मोस्टली सारे 2% से ऊपर पहुंच चुके हैं, जिसमें mostly we are getting 2% target. If people are okay to book at 2% also, that is fine, but मुझे लगता है कि 3% का टारगेट मिल जाएगा. एंड एक्चुअली ऑन फ्राइडे ये वाला ETF 3% दे चुका था, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू एग्जिट ऑन टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ some work. But yeah, definitely we will be achieving by Monday or next week. So that is what I am thinking. So yeah, so this is the current positions from last week, and overall positions हमारे total हो चुके हैं 6, right? And I have taken silver as well, because it fall like this silver is away from 20-day EMA a lot. So maybe I'm expecting some pullback. But you see, ये already 6% के लॉस में है, तो मैंने एक और सिल्वर बाय किया जो दूसरे कंपनी का है. एंड बोथ आर लाइक सिमिलर परफॉर्मेंस, बट स्मॉल चेंज डिफरेंस रहता है, तो it will be much easier to track individually. So that is the reason I have bought this silver instead of buying HDFC silver, right? So let's see how it performs. So हमारे पास still around 9 lakhs का capital available है, but as you see, these investment are also taken margin from what do you say, MTF, राइट? सो ये मार्जिन हम लोग 30,000 का ही इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और वी ऑलरेडी इन प्रॉफिट ऑफ अराउंड 3,000 4,000, मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट 10%, राइट, यू आर गेटिंग, वो भी एक हफ्ते में, राइट? सो दैट इज नॉट अ small thing. So if you want to exit, we can exit, but I will be holding till 3%. So once it's done, we'll keep on rotating. And I found few questions how to get this sheet and all those things. So मैंने एक टेलीग्राम क्रिएट किया है नया. प्लीज ज्वाइन दैट टेलीग्राम. वहाँ पे हम लोग आई विल बी शेयरिंग डेली मैंने आज क्या पोजीशंस लिए. आई विल शेयर द स्क्रीन शॉट्स ऑफ दैट ऑर्डर्स, एंड जो भी मैं एग्जिट कर रहा हूँ वो भी मैं आपको स्क्रीन शॉट उस टेलीग्राम में ऐड कर दूंगा. एंड so that daily you can see my performance and overall performance. Every week I will be creating a video to share overall performance of the trades, and this will be continue for until we get 1 CR capital. सो होप आपको ये वीडियो का सीरीज अच्छा लग रहा है, तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, विच विल बी गिविंग मोर मोटिवेशन टू मी टू create more videos and continue this series. So this is the overall performance of the day, and yeah, if any questions, any doubts you have, please feel free to comment, and I can recommend, I can reply. And if anyone wants this sheet, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I have shared that details in my channel. In the description, you can find those details. So there are some couple of changes also I did in this Excel sheet where the performance is better a little bit. So if you are interested to take this sheet, please message me. Right. So that's it from my side. We can discuss we can discuss any topic if you want to understand how to use this sheet and how to how what are the things we need to configure and all those things. Please let me know in the comments so that I can create one video how to use this sheet and how to add the stocks and all those things. I can create one video where you can learn these things, but it is very straightforward. Wherever you see this yellow color, you just need to update, and once you see this is the recommendations you are getting here, which one you need to buy, and which with how much capital and how much quantity you need to buy based on your capital, and this is the target, and this is the next one you want to buy the when you want to do the averaging. But in this case I am not doing any averaging. I will be just taking the delivery, right? So I will be taking the delivery and I will be doing SIP on that ETF every month with divided by like 15 parts. For example, this is the ETF which is in loss, and this will be like I will be holding for 1 month. If 1 month 3% is not coming, I will take the delivery and I will do the SIP every month till I will get 3%. So that is the plan. So let's see how it goes. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.